Microwavable baby back rib. We're doing it. It's a foil go. Oh, don't put foil in the microwave. Okay. We'll tighten that up. All right, we'll open it up. Toss these beautiful guys in the microwave. Dude, is that a microwave safe plate? Microwave safe, baby. Close lid. 6. Oh, okay. Boom. We'll cook those for 6 minutes and we'll see what happens. All right, ladies and gentlemen, she's probably smoky in there, but oh, no smoke. Okay, it's been a total of 6 minutes. It looks and smells pretty good. I didn't think about it. What if these are really good? I only made 3 little riblets. Go ahead and try them out, see how they taste. Oh.